Okay, this is Eddie Preston reporting from Utica Bluff River. We got two people trying to save that tree. One's blind and one's out of shape. Rocky, you gotta be the buoy. TJ is blind. Reporting. We're gonna send this shit to the Weather Channel.
Or YouTube.
Hurry up! Now, just beyond this tree is the actual current of the Utica Bluff River, and this starts somewhat north of Biloxi, say in the Socia, Stone County area, and then it comes down this through with a current force. And we've seen several people come by in canoes. Where's the rope swing? Are y'all stuck? You look like y'all don't want to. Hey, go on the deeper stuff. That ain't even in the current.
There ain't no current.
It's out there. I just seen two guys on a canoe float by at 20 miles an hour. There's a current.
What is that, a tree floating by? Uh-huh.
Where?
Out past that other tree. See it?
Oh, that looks like the Loch Ness Monster. Hold up, let's zoom in.
Is he like giving it?
Rocky, you gotta be a buoy.
You gotta bounce up and down.
You got to act as a safety retrieval device. Be the safety device. Be a floaty, Rocky. Think in your head about being a floaty. You have a blind individual.
It's okay.
He's saved. Oh goodness, Rocky is the man.
Thank you, buddy.
TJ was stuck. TJ was stuck on that tree, and we didn't know how. Hold on. Oh, how does it feel? How does it feel?
We got saved for Hurricane Issac.
This is a huge
experience.
One step for man, a big step for
shelter.
mankind. Oh, back to you, Jim Katori, in New Orleans.